Winter mornings can be brutal. Frost-glued windshields, snow-packed roofs, and that race against the clock before work. But let's be real. Not all snow brushes are built to survive heavy storms or thick ice. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best snow brushes and ice scrapers, each offering unique power, reach, and durability for different vehicles and budgets. If you want faster, safer, scratch-free cleaning, this list is for you. First up, the Duguku Upgrade Ice Scraper. This thing is built like a tank with its military-grade materials, and it's a total game-changer for anyone tired of weak tools that snap under pressure. It's a 3-in-1 design with a sharp blade for ice and a 5-layer brush for snow, promising a one-swipe clean. The handle extends from 27 to a generous 42 inches, making it perfect for sous vides and trucks, and it features a 360-degree pivoting head to get into awkward angles. The silicone grip is a nice touch for comfort on cold days. The only potential downside is its slightly larger storage footprint, but it's detachable to help with that. If you face heavy, relentless snow and need a tool that will last for seasons, this is your heavy-duty champion. At number 2, we have the legendary Astro AI Snow Brush. This is the one you've probably seen everywhere. And for good reason, it's an absolute workhorse. It's a solid 27 inches long with a 7-inch brush head and a separate detachable 4.5-inch scraper. The bristles are specifically polished and split at the ends to be super soft on your car's paint and glass, which is a huge win. The EVA foam handle is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, even in deep freeze conditions down to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not extendable, so it might be a bit of a stretch for very tall vehicles. But for the vast majority of sedans and mid-size SUVs, this is the go-to reliable pick. It's the best-selling option for a reason and a fantastic value. Coming in at number 3 is the EcoNor 2-pack. Talk about value! You get 2 complete units, often for the price of one from other brands. Each one features a durable aluminum body that won't bend on you, a 9.5-inch brush head for covering more area quickly, and the effective ice scraper. They detach for easy storage or for handing one off to a partner to speed up the cleanup. The scratch-free PVC bristles are gentle on your finish. The build is fantastic for the price, though they might not feel quite as premium as our top pick. This set is absolutely perfect for a 2-car household, or for keeping one in your car and one in the garage. You simply cannot beat this deal for sheer practicality. Number 4 is the Snow Joe Telescoping Snow Broom. This one is unique because it swaps traditional bristles for a no-scratch foam head. This is the ultimate tool for anyone paranoid about swirl marks or scratches on their paintwork. The foam is non-abrasive and glides over the surface, making it incredibly safe for clearing snow off your hood, roof, and trunk. It also telescopes from 33 inches all the way out to 52 inches, giving it insane reach for clearing the roof of any vehicle without any climbing. It has a built-in ice scraper for the windshield. The foam is less effective on super light, powdery snow, but for heavy, wet snow and for paint protection, this one shines. It's a specialist, and it does its job brilliantly. And finally, the Zonk 2025 Upgrade Extendable Scraper. This is the Ferrari of snow brushes, packed with premium features. Its handle extends from 32 to 45 inches, making it the longest on our list, ideal for massive trucks and full-size SUVs. It boasts a reinforced 360-degree rotating brush head with 30% longer and denser bristles for maximum snow-moving power. You also get an ergonomic anti-slip foam handle and even a custom storage bag. It's a 3-in-1 with a brush, scraper, and even a squeegee. The premium build does come with a premium price tag, but if you want the most feature-rich, heavy-duty option with the best reach, this is the one worth a look. So, which one is the best? For the ultimate combination of durability, smart features, and reach, the Duguku is our top overall pick. But remember, the best one is the one that fits your specific car and budget. The Astro AI is the reliable all-rounder. The Eco Noor is the best value. The Snow Joe is the safest for your paint. And the Zonch is the long-reach powerhouse. Whichever you choose, trust me. Once you have a proper snow brush in your trunk, you'll wonder how you ever survived winter without it.